check in with Chief Meteorologist Brian Schofield with our 13 First Alert weather. We don't have any complaints today about the weather for the most part.
Not going to hear me complain. I don't do a lot in general, but this is not worth complaining about, I'll tell you. 60s coming up in the forecast. Didn't hit them today, weren't supposed to, but the next few days, plan on them. And when you see what other parts of the nation are getting, you're going to love these 60s, even if you like colder air. You don't want it as cold as they're getting it, I assure you. StratCam looks good. Valley View Cam looks good as well. Got so much going on right now. And just to prove to you that we are actually a little bit warmer than yesterday, 1 to 5 degrees warmer than this time yesterday, or maybe not as cold as yesterday, which depends how you want to sell that one. But either way, 55 currently. So McCarran Airport, not bad. No wind, so no wind chill for the area. Boulder City, 52, feels like 52. Sounds good to me. And what also sounds good is this number coming up, maybe about 10 degrees. Can you imagine that? Almost to official winter, and we're going to be pushing the numbers up 10 degrees, and for several days worth. Not just one day, not just some special anomaly. Either way, overnight lows this morning were up from last night's, or the nights before, let's say. So no real freezing numbers, even as chilly as it was, because of all this cloud cover. On again, off again, cloud cover to the point where it made it look like you might even get some rain today. It wasn't going to happen. We weren't expecting that. Still, Northern California continues. Southern Oregon continues to get rain. Reno, Lake Tahoe, more snow on the way for the coming weekend. We've just got so much going on in every area but here. But let me show you. While we stay mild, that cold air. Watch next week. Get past the weekend. It's going to continue to plunge up in the northern tier of the United States. Look at the southern tier. Stays relatively mild considering what they're getting. Bitterly cold numbers, negative digits coming up for the northern end and Great Lakes as well. We will stay mild into the 60s. How's that for a cold slap in the face? For not us, I'll tell you that. So breezy maybe Saturday night, so it might make it feel a little colder, but 60s all weekend long and into next week as well. Let me step out of the way. You got to see these glorious numbers. We might actually see the cool down when we get a little disturbance through on, look at Thursday, you can see maybe through in a little shower there into Friday, might bring temperatures down. So next weekend, we might actually see the temperatures come down a little bit more. But in the meantime, overnight lows up, afternoon highs up. Can't beat it.
All right.
That's a good weekend.
I think so.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
A lot of clouds still, a lot of clouds.
All right.
Okay.